Here, take a look at this. Yes, I want this dress. I need this dress. Okay, buy it! Oh, maybe not. But you got this. I've got this. I made a few changes for my version of the dress. The shirring is not necessary since I can draft the pattern according to my measurements. I don't like the center front seam and I don't think it's necessary. I think it will look cleaner without it. I sew all lining pieces together. First the bust pieces of the front, then the front waist pieces. If you're sewing a white dress, I recommend interlining the bodice, at least the bust piece. My dress is slightly see-through despite making it in 2 layers. A small mistake like this is easy to fix with a seam ripper. I clip the curves and press the seams on all pieces. Then I sew the 2 front pieces together, matching seams. I sew the rest of the lining together, but keep the center back open. That's where the zipper will be. For the shell, I start with sewing gathering stitches on the bust piece. 2 rows on both the upper and lower edge, according to my markings. The interface waist pieces are sewn to each other and then sewn to the bust piece. The back pieces are added to the front. Center back is kept open for the zipper. The shell and lining are sewn together along the upper edge, but with openings on the back piece where the shoulder straps will be attached. I understitch the front at the gathering and then clip all curves before I turn everything right side out and press it. I measure the desired length of the shoulder straps, pull them through the openings and sew everything closed from the wrong side. I start by overlocking all pieces involved, then sewing the pocket pieces to the skirt. The 3 skirt pieces are then sewn together. The upper edge gets 2 rows of gathering stitches. I attach the skirt to the bodice, matching the side seams and center front. I do the same for the lining. I measure where the zipper will end, make a mark and sew the center back close to that mark. I sew 2 rows of stitches, the first to attach the zipper and the second to get really close to the zipper teeth. And then the lining is sewn to the zipper too. Lastly, I hem the dress by turning it up 12 mm twice. And the dress is done.